Hi everyone, this is Neha, and this is my first video on YouTube. And I started my YouTube channel just because of English practice, because nowadays everyone wants to learn English and learn wants to talk to everyone and just practice view with English. So I started a YouTube channel, and if you like my video then you can subscribe me. Otherwise, if you don't like my video, not need to subscribe forcefully. It's my hardly request to you, but you can like my videos if you want, because if you like my video then I will try to give my best to you people. And my motive is just to connect to you people also, just for practicing purpose, because if we two and more people's connected to each other, then we can help to each other, just for learning, just for sharing your experience, views, and some good discussion topics as well. So I think so firstly, I should know about myself. So as you know, I think I told earlier, my name is Neha, and I belongs to Bihar. But since 2004 I live in Delhi, and all qualifications and educations has completed in Haryana. Then I got shifted in Delhi again, and I started my job in 2020 2007 2017. Sorry for that. 2017 I started my job, and I did job at approx 5 years as in post of an accountant. I worked a lot of companies, different companies. Mm, and being an accountant, I was working somewhere, and then I got married and I shifted in Gurugram. So right now I live in Gurugram, and after getting married I started my job again, but due to the some household chores, and due to the some house of responsibilities with my job, it was not possible for me, and I was not able to do both things alone. So I resigned my job, and totally right now I am a housewife. And in between I got a baby, and right now I have a kids for 5 months, approx 6 months. He turns in 6 months, and I thought nowadays English becomes a very globalized, and everyone knows how to speak English, how to become a fluent person. So English is mandatory in any schools, any institute, any working place, everywhere. It's become a globalized, we can say, already. So I think everyone knows speaking English. So I thought I should knowledge of English, how to speak and how to write, reading, everything. But I know writing of English, reading of English, but spoken is too much problem for me, but because my English is not to my English is not very well. It's like a broken, I spoke like a broken English, but I started this journey for learning English. And it's not short term process, because nowadays if you are live in a native places, in native places is people speaks native language more. So according to this scenario, according to this environment, it's little bit tough, but not, it is possible. We can't say that it's not possible, it is possible. We can learn English, and just because of this I started this journey. So it is not my first video on YouTube. I already uploaded a one video 2 years back before my marriage. But it's a long term journey. I told you again, so that I was not consistent there. But I restart, we can say I started again, restart this journey for English learning. But I thought in 2025 I will, of course, at least a level I can achieve of in English. And if you want to connect with me, so you can connected with me by any source like a Skype app and WhatsApp calling as well. So we can know to each other, we can talk to each other and express our um, uh, discussion topic, express our how much we know about the English. We can take any discussion topic in any topics conversations, we can say. To just because of this, it's my motive to um, learn English. Just and if I will learn English, then I will teach everyone. If I able to speak in future, I'm talking about a future, then I will try to teach anyone in free of cost. And I'm not learning English just because of earning purpose. I'm learning for teach my son, my family member as well. And because it's very important to everyone for learning English. And I think I told everything about it. So if you like my video, subscribe. You can subscribe my channel, and if you not like my video, then not need to be subscribe it forcefully. Just you can like my videos just for motivating me, because in between be on we can be a negative, and we should consistent about the English. So it is my second video on YouTube channel, if I say. But I started, then again it's my first video for restarting in my journey of learning English. And those people who wants to talk to me, who want to connected with me just for practicing, so the people can connect me. And we can talk to each other, just that's it. Thank you everyone.